Welcome to this charming, historic home in the heart of Huntertown. You'll find a welcoming foyer that greets you and leads you to the living room, featuring wide trim and hardwood floors that reflect the home's historic character. The open floor plan connects the living room to the dining area, creating a seamless flow for entertaining. The lovely kitchen is equipped with newer stainless steel appliances that are ready for you to enjoy. Adjacent to the kitchen is a versatile den, currently used as a home office. This room offers flexibility to serve as a playroom, study, or additional guest space. It features stunning hardwood floors and large windows that allow natural light to fill the space. Upstairs, the 3 bedrooms offer comfortable living space for everyone. Situated on a double lot, the property features a fenced-in backyard, perfect for outdoor activities and privacy. The backyard includes a patio with a fire pit and a play set, making it an ideal space for family gatherings and entertainment. The front of the home is adorned with permanent holiday lighting, enhancing its curb appeal during festive seasons. An extra spacious attached garage offers ample storage with a hobby space. This home even has a newer steel roof with a transferable 15-year warranty. What are you waiting for? If you're looking for the perfect blend of historic charm with modern amenities, call Danielle Jackson for all the details on this beautiful home.